Good morning.
And happy birthday!
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Yeah, today's the last day in Lake District for now. We will definitely be back. So we're just packing up and about to go and get some food, as you do, you know.
Coffee.
Coffee, yeah, so I had no coffee. That's probably why I feel a little bit deflated, a little bit tired. And then we got, what is it, a 5 hour?
5 to 8 hour trip.
5 to 8.
Little pause here. So, it should have taken 5 hours to get to Lake District from London. It took us 8.
But before that, we are going to try and do some exploration before we leave here. Let's go and grab some food and a bloody coffee because I'm so like, woo.
Didn't even film the food. That was so good.
It was so good that we didn't get to film the food. And now we're so stuffed because the portions are like huge. So yeah, definitely recommend going to that place. It was amazing. I feel like having a nap now, but we're gonna take a drive. I think we're gonna try and find a trail or something before we head back to London. We're on a side mission, trying to return these into this road. We're back in the car again. It's raining outside. We just came back from Mountain Warehouse and returned the booties.
Basically, the backstory is I ordered us hiking boots, but they weren't very comfortable. Obviously, they were a surprise as well. Yeah.
Good for.
So I didn't get them to try.
We got to try out a few different boots, and we met this guy called Max. Cool guy, man. Super nice guy. He told us loads of information about what boots to get, and then he gave us loads of information on Lake District. Oh my god, there's a Yorkie just went past, a little baby one. Oh, just missed it. Just missed it. I couldn't. Yeah, so now we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do because it's raining. So we need to figure something that's gonna be dry. So probably not gonna do any hiking.
Fine, thank you so
yeah,
much.
go for right behind me here. Start your queue whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So it goes all the way down here and then back up here.
Taxi. We've been to
2 places.
2 restaurants. First one we went to, they said it was fully booked and it had loads and loads of tables empty. I was like, okay, that is fine. Walked away, it wasn't meant to be. And now we come to this other beautiful place that I actually done a short clip on, and the guy said they've run out of food. So kind of feel like we're going into, what's it called? What's that called? A rhythm? Is it a river? What is it?
Yeah.
It's like a sequence of like constantly going through different restaurants in this area, and all of them are just not available for us. Yeah, no luck finding food. So we running on, what is that? I was gonna say air. We're running on air. What's the
H2O? No.
H2O is water, isn't it?
Yeah, H2O is water.
Well, we're running on air. Can't get too scientific because I can't remember what the code is. It's getting quite sunny, which is a blessing. Go somewhere, I don't know where we're going, but
yeah.
Looks rather cool. Look at this passageway.
It's always like really nice when you don't know where you're going.
Yep.
And it's just a random stop, and then you're just like, oh my gosh.
We both needed to go to the toilet, so we had a quick stop, and then we found this. Yeah, I think there's a thing there for you to go swimming, Clau.
Oh.
What?
Well, I've got a towel in the car.
Did you bring a towel?
Yeah.
Oh, snappy. Look at this beauty.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, you probably can't even see me because the sun is just beaming like on beautiful weather conditions. Beautiful view. Let's launch the drone. That was exciting. Much better than the last time we flew the drone.
I still panicked a little bit.
Yeah, Clau was giving me a bit of an anxiety. Oh my god, I can't see the drone anymore. It's so high up. Got some nice footage. I'm gonna add that onto the vlog. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Really nice views where we're at. Preston, sun's out again. So now, what are we gonna eat? Managed to find somewhere to eat. It is now 6 p.m. We had to come all the way to Preston to find some food. And it's actually got the menu. Let's see what we're gonna get now. For the first time, Claudia is taking forever to order her food. Look at this. We're gonna have pictures of what the food looks like to be able to order them.
I will keep on holding my head high. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Birthday boy's been delivered home.
Yes, wonderful weekend. Very long drive, but very, very, very nice and totally worth it. So yeah, absolutely loved it. Thanks to this doll. Thank you so much. It's a wonderful birthday weekend. What an epic birthday. And here is the end of Lake District series. Make sure you follow and subscribe to see what we get up to next. Here's a little hint, guys. The Hawaii of Europe. Where do you think this is? Comment below and let us know.